Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Alan Kushmarko with Best Homes Real Estate, and I'm here today with one of our best agents, not only in the team, but also in our brokerage, Kenneth Cano, one of our top producing agents.
Appreciate
and
it.
Kenneth in some amazing things last month, in the month of April, with all the stuff that was going on. He got 4 deals under contract, right?
Right.
4 of your clients were pending, right? Can you, if you don't mind, sharing with the agents out there, how were you able to achieve that?
Right. So, as you guys know, in April, the COVID-19 hit, so we had a huge slowdown in activity in the market. But I just kept coming into the office every day, Monday to Friday, spending 3-4 hours here. Alan would push me, to make sure I show up, and just doing what I know works, right? What do we call it? Dollar producing activities,
Yeah.
which is hitting the phones, talking to people, talking to for sale by owners. And I was able to get a few listings, get them under contract, even though it seemed like there was no buyers out there for April. But we got 4 under escrow, and I had already 2 from the month before that.
So 6 deals in
Yep.
escrow.
By the end of April, I had 6.
By the end of April. Okay. You've been with us for about a year and a half now, right? If you don't mind sharing with agents out there, what has been your experience so far in the last year and a half as a real estate agent? And you haven't been doing this for a long time. I mean, you've been doing this for what, 2 years?
Full time, it's gonna be 2 years.
Okay. If you don't mind, sharing your experience with the previous brokerage,
Okay.
and with us.
Right. So with my previous broker, I was just showing up, every day, and I had no guidance, I had no training, had no sales training, I had no script, I had nothing. Like, I would just show up, they'll tell me, hey, you just have to talk to people, and that's it. Once I switched over to Alan K Group, he has a very structural plan. From day one, what you're doing. Every week we have our meetings, and we're held accountable to our goals. So along with the script training, role play training, shadowing you and the other agents, it made a huge difference. I think from the year before I joined, I quadrupled what I was doing with my old brokerage, and then this year it's gonna be through the roof. So
No, I mean, your goal this year is huge, right? I mean, you wanna sell 50 homes this year.
Yep.
Right. In the beginning of the year, you were thinking around 25 or 30 or so,
right.
But we're definitely adjusting that number.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, if you're speaking to agents out there, whether it's a brand new agent or experienced agent or even a top producing agent, I mean, what would you recommend? What would you advise, for them when it comes to their business?
Right. So the biggest factor for me was just being consistent, showing up every day, along with I was struggling with follow-ups. So now this year we sat down, we made a goal to follow up twice a week, every week. And now actually it just turned into following up every day. So now I do follow-ups every day, and that's where I've seen a lot more business too, from being consistent in my follow-ups too.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. All right, guys, you heard it here first. Thanks so much for watching. If you would like to learn a little bit more about our company, our brokerage, Best Homes Real Estate, our team, Alan K Group, please feel free to reach out. You can also visit our website, becomebestagent.com, to learn more about our trainings, our coaching sessions that we provide to our agents, and just overall value that we deliver to our agents on a daily basis. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.